You did it! You did it! Only because you're here. And welcome back. And welcome back, Starfruit. I know you had a great night, so I made you some honey. I made you some hummingbird cakes. Oh, how nice! Wow, they're delicious. Thank you. I know that face. They're not. I know you had to be perfect for everyone else, and you did an amazing job, but you don't have to do it for me. In that case, they are terrible. I know, right? But also means a lot that you tried. I love you, Gooseberry. I love you too, Starfruit.